Hello everyone. For today's Murphy Law Monday, I want to go over the difference between a limited or legal separation and a absolute divorce. An absolute divorce is what you think of when you hear the word divorce. It means that the parties have legally ended their marriage and are separating their lives. A limited divorce, on the other hand, which is the Maryland equivalent of a legal separation in the District of Columbia, is whereby both parties have not necessarily agreed to divorce or end their marriage. They are still legally married and still therefore have obligations to one another as a legal unit. So the clock does not stop ticking for the continuous definition of marriage. So what that means is that any assets you acquire during that period can be considered marital property still, unless you guys have an agreement that says otherwise. And it also means that you're still married. So I do not suggest dating. I do not suggest getting someone else a ring. I do not suggest doing any of those things during a time period where you're involved in a legal separation or a limited divorce. Limited divorce and legal separations are used in very finite situations. I do not suggest them overall. I suggest an absolute divorce once you meet the requirements that you need to meet in order to file an absolute divorce. Why? Because a legal separation is not a divorce. It's generally just a legal definition of a separation where you're trying to get some type of relief from the court. You want alimony, you want child support, you want custody resolved when you guys separate. You want an agreement drafted up for the terms of separation for that 1 year period. Those are the times where I suggest doing a limited divorce or a legal separation. Other than that, I do think it's a waste of time if you don't need that absolute immediate relief. I just wanted to answer that question. If you're in need of legal services in the state of Maryland or in the District of Columbia, please give my office a call, 240-493-9116 and www.amurphylegal.com. Thank you.